Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Not that easy, but it's okay. Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Except you. During afternoon dela, then Prabhupada sigi go on this meditate, practice those nyamlen of this gumlung of transmission of those chicchadas.
This afternoon, I'm going to present to you the transmission for the meditation practice of Arya Avalokita, or the Bodhisattva Chenrezig.
Today in Jusan, Tatapadongazu, Tana, Kasane, Niji Golia, those Chevre, the evening Chevre, the Nimakashana, Karachamadre, in Azusame, Missinang, Missigi, and the Samno, when David needs to sometime do, as Missinangi. Not only Ninji Sade, Kadaji catch me, Ninji, the Nyawar Kalazam Chuyare. Today in Dusanda, the Shita catching, but Azuchi Nyawadis, Azura Nyamyon Machua Maimba, Nyamyon Mambo Chuyare, the Dabu Yamato in Dusane, Nyamyon Mambo Nyamda. Nyamdang now not so strong you be now. The Temeba, Chusu Chiare. The Dermain Bangazutan are Mizina Yamda Yama Karichon, but the datam J Sani, that's all sauce to that. Tanga Tusumji gave us Zatam J San, Sajorba. Then I see Yam Sani. Tetamje and Ninji Yamlen Chigitora G to Goya de Kajambo, Ravade something of those.
Yesterday and this morning, I've been speaking quite a bit about compassion, and basically I feel that I'm saying whatever occurred to me at the time to say. But if we reflect upon our lives up to this point, we will see how important compassion really is in our lives. And we'll also see that we actually have experience of it. Compassion is not something that we've never experienced. We've experienced it, although we tend to ignore those experiences or discard them and undervalue them. Just as when we dedicate virtue, we gather all the merit accumulated throughout past, present, and future into one thing. In the same way, we need to gather together all of our experiences of compassion, and based on that, then cultivate it consciously in our lives.
Today, choju dusum ye sangye thamje ye tunin ji shenbo choju dun duba de la yidam lai susu sharwa de baba jenes.
Now, the Bodhisattva Arya Avalokita or Chenrezig is the embodiment in the form of a single deity of all of the compassion that resides within the hearts of all Buddhas of all directions, all the 10 directions, and all times, past, present, and future.
Konge gundo gabu dawa nyakawa dabuti namyang perwadan jiba meba simjen ji tuendo kaduine ninji dawa nyakawa dabuti namyang perwadan jiba meba
He's depicted or seen as brilliant white, like the disk of the full moon, to indicate that his compassion is unfluctuating, it does not wax and wane, and that is his compassion toward all beings without exception.
Kong cha shi di kong be lega mangbu tene kong be cha lega mangbu tene ne cha shi sorry lega mangbu tene ne cha shi di teba dabu mayin ba cha shi bu de zo ce me ba shi go ne sim je nam tuen ze ba dida chun je la ane cha shi namba temper.
He has 4 arms because he is so busy and hardworking. No, he has the 4 arms to show that he benefits beings by means of the 4 immeasurables.
Dea chamba ninji gawa tangyom ina cha kare kare chamba ninji ya gomas.
The 4 immeasurables are love, compassion, empathetic joy, and impartiality, but I can't tell you which hand represents which of the 4. Whatever occurs to you about that is probably fine.
Kong ne rubjung charge gi namba mayimba jel ane charging gi namba ane kimbe jenda jebe gone jebe namba temper tene da zo azuji duje semje namji nane ane rabdu chungale kimba mangwa kimba de duwe shedo senju samba namji namba ine kimba mangwa teba yimbe chirna ane kimbe chelo do nawa isir.
And I think that the reason why he appears dressed in the costume of a layperson or householder rather than a monastic is that more of those who are tamed by him are lay people than monastics.
Tene konge tsela area wa lokidishwara tadi sanskritila deshishra shumi 가렌스나 드린데 아주 야가르기 고나주 신유여바 망보페샤 고나주 잘라 아주 야가게 시안라 미실레 디주 산스크든 디제 전에 아보민도 샴데 주사레 제자 텔레 뷔게라 디제 저기 파바체레스 세두 제레스아데 네 미기 세사레 밀레 제스요레 쟁기 시스요레 데레 니지 쳔베 쟁기 로리루기 심진 탐제라 듀다도 시버인 비치나 제레스 데레 제레스 시차와데 가사시면바 조 투규의 랭게 차네 ane tse te toba imre.
His name is in its fullest form Arya Avalokiteshvara, but I'm not going to analyze his name as it appears in the original Sanskrit, because there are no doubt many people here of Indian origin who are learned in Sanskrit, and which means that if I slipped up I might get caught, which would be embarrassing. So therefore, in order to avoid that, I will comment upon his name as it has been translated into Tibetan, which is Papa Chenrezig Wangchu. And he's called Chenrezig, or he who gazes with his eyes, because his eyes are always gazing upon or seeing all beings all the time. This name, therefore, should not be particularly regarded as an ordinary personal name of him as a person, but more as a description of the qualities of his mind.
Yeah, this is the Papa Jeresi. Jendi Mitsum ne Dedi Horasium. Mitams of Miminzum Sado. Papa Jeresi. But then I don't Mitsuna do something. Me yet him at the child. Takom me Mitsum Decora Migi Della could use a manda. Me dancing in Kansas, you get. So the Niji Chambodi. Be. Migi susu gurney.
So, a synonym to that name is eyes never shut, or migmizum. And what it doesn't literally mean that he never blinks or never shuts his eyes. We know from our own experience that if you have eyes, you need to occasionally blink. So what's referred to here by the title of eyes is his compassion, the gaze or regard of his compassion, which is unceasing and unfluctuating.
제가 Papa Jeresi 전도인데 so quality 그런 게 유행이 차네. 아니 Papa Jeresi 제 그렇게 다음 임신 주사네. 다들 Jeresi 냠내스도 다 Jeresi 기베 꾸이나 보고 짬매봐. so Papa Jeresi 셰베 퇴기 닝부디 니지셔 니지셔베 냠내데 이버래 니지셔베 냠내데 체 랑와지 총부이나 아도 Papa Jeresi 꾸이나 봐 고마곰다 안에 가수다 곰네 야버래 마곰네 드로스 마도야 참성 아주 too much 가수라다지 수니엘라 셴바침 버르체 디 사이 수니엘부터 봐 지세도 이제 자침 버르지 라 자침 버르지 소소 디친길라요 소소르체 이나 랑 심규디 동바르 땅산데 드고 심규디 니지 가와지 총나 아니 신이에데 라 고베이네야 라지문 가서 닝여바도 되지 가셔 나는 니지메나 Papa Jeresi 니지메데 요데지 고마 곰시다가 해나서
In short, his name and title refer to his qualities. Therefore, in performing the practice of Chenrezig, it's important to not simply imagine his form, but to essentially focus on the cultivation of his essence, which is great compassion. I think that as long as you cultivate the essence or essential attribute of Chenrezig, which is great compassion, it's okay if you, in addition to that, visualize his form, but it's also okay if you don't. I say this because I think that sometimes we overemphasize the importance of the visual image of a deity in the practice of deity meditation. In overemphasizing that, we sometimes neglect the wisdom qualities within the mind of the deity. In the case of Chenrezig, we pay no attention to his essence or attributes of mind, which are principally great compassion. So therefore, it's important here to pay more attention to his essential attribute.
Don't visualize Chenrezig without compassion.
Don't visualize Chenrezig without compassion.
Compassion may be Chenrezig Tuensona.
Because if you produced some kind of Chenrezig lacking in compassion, that would be extremely odd.
joking the one mada. Madigo Nangsin Malo Nedurata, such a malara, such a lagazine, solo pond of so. Come back. Kambachi is Lasso. Ambe Kambachi Tago Koti Sobo is that. Sobo.
Lasso. Jupo.
Sobo.
Lasso.
Yeah, that goes to those things like there was a single change.
Lasso.
Then there was a single deduction and now I sang you about me or that they could Abu Hulu. That Abu now I judge me. Then Abu Hulu de Karasin Hudos. Then the Jijun Drama Person star. Karse Sir Tongam Kanas, Sir Tongam Kanas, Jidim Yune. Jidim Yune, Tukun Dor Jabba Pendos, Tukun Dor Jabba the Koran sorted that. Today in the chair, Shingos are the shoes. The neck on Abu Locon 16 the 10, 16 10. That ya sing songs. Then it Abu look in Carse. That Jidim Yuni Tukun Dor Jabba Pedio, that Seja Pu, Seja Shu, Sezam Pu, Zambayaro, let it. Songs. Then Chana Dojidi Chamaredos, Chasongi, Tabzana Chasongi. Tabzana Chasongi in Duzane, Per Tabzana be to watch and push with the Yorba. Today, Duzan go Chaso, Chad Union Bush, the go Nabucha. Chana does Nabucha did it. Tene Genesis and Samba nearby those. Zambe lega mamucheza ko kaucha. Zamba mamuchera bata. Kaucha. Ta today the ta ko sobote ta korang one she go joro ta de kharesa. Ta go de de santini jijun drama son ta ta lo. Dewa je singap namsi chaman thos. Today in this one abu will ji ku Kusi resta. Kusi ba de karajo chamoi chadi oras. Tene de che ta tuku do anda ba chinjidi mi yu ma soni. Tene lugi kasa di papa. Ta de lug de ambe lug chung chung de baba ta be kheji mu zga ba. Lug chung chung baba lug de yang karbo chang yang ba na bo che me ba. 다 된대가 빠빠 가자 빠빠 주스 지 키쇼스 다 대표나 되네 대표미 탐제 되네 대화진지 신감을 제거했다 내가 서로 쿠요라서 나도스 다네 그게 다 된대 숨고다 된대인데 땅이 올라서 슈샤리 다직 대탑시 마트나 디사메스도 다 인규잖아 코란라다 루그 바바라고요 다그 소보진 담데 셰디 다들 dinle chungwas dinle samsung a zyan sam di so ro chen ni jere se gundo ka bo jiba da ji la se de cini de gyumzen de ha ma go chen ko chen se gundo ka cha shi oh robot na shi la se de dam de dinle ba le sta de chen de xie bei na chen de gyumzen xie bei to ni nyam le xie bei na ko mi se 고아지다 출 구주지다 출주지 안에서 오케이
I'm going to tell you a story, and as funny as the story may be, it's not really entirely a joke. In an unspecified part of eastern Tibet, and we'll leave it unspecified because I don't want to offend anyone. In an unspecified part of eastern Tibet, there was a charlatan. And this charlatan told people, I said, I recently went to Sukhavati, the blissful realm of Amitabha. And I went there to meet the Buddha Amitabha. But he called the Buddha Amitabha by a funny name, Abu Ulu. Anyway, that's not that funny in English. But anyway, he went to meet the Buddha Amitabha, and he said, while I was there, Amitabha was asleep. So Aryatara walked by and woke him up, saying, Amitabha, you must wake up, because and he gave himself the name Tulku Droa Drampa, which means the Nirmanakaya who guides beings or leads beings to liberation. Said Tulku Droa Dempa is about to go to the human world, and you've got to wake up and give him instructions. And so he continued with the story. And so then Amitabha did wake up suddenly, and he said, oh, Tulku Droa Dempa is about to go to the human world. Quick, we must offer him tea to drink and tsamba, parched barley flour, to eat. And then he continued with the story. Now the tea maker, the preparer of tea in the realm of Sukhavati, is the Bodhisattva Vajrapani. And if you've ever wondered why Vajrapani is dark blue in color, it's because he's making tea all the time. Now His Holiness said this is a reference to the fact that Tibetan kitchens are often very smoky places. And this charlatan, of course, assumed that they must be like that in Sukhavati. So he said, well, it's because he makes tea all the time and gets all that smoke on him that he's dark blue. And as for the color of Chenrezig, he's white because he's the one who fetches the tsamba, the parched barley flour, and he gets the flour all over himself, and that's why he's white. And then, having told them that, he got to the point of his story, and he said, and then Tara instructed me, and she said, this year it is extremely cold here in Sukhavati. And the Amitabha, whom she referred in his relation of the story to as Abu Ulu, is suffering from the cold. So you, Tulku Droa Dempa, please go to the human world and acquire, and in different versions of the story, different numbers are given, but let's say 10, His Holiness said, white lambskins or sheepskins of good quality, and bring them back here. And surely all who offer these to you will be reborn in Sukhavati as a result. And then he concluded the story, and I agreed to do so, and that is why I am here. And so his whole point was just a scam to acquire good quality sheepskins. The point of the story, the reason I'm telling you this story, is that this is the kind of thing that comes from paying too much attention to the appearance of deities without any recollection of the meaning of that appearance.
Today in Justane Jidangi da Gewe Sinye but Genesis the way in Binda, Chunjusam Gewe Sinye, Jidang Gewe Sinye Laya, Kansa Gewe Sinye to Chawashida, Surab Gewe Sinye to Chawashida, and a Rangism Gewe Sinye to Chawa, now a Gewe Sinye to Chawa, and that's she on the others.
Now, when we talk about the Kalyana Mitra or the spiritual friend, the guide, who can be a bodhisattva such as Arya Avalokiteshvara himself, there are 4 types of spiritual friends. There is the spiritual friend who is a person, the spiritual friend that is the Dharma, the teachings themselves, the spiritual friend...
Charwa,
which is when the teachings arise as a spiritual friend. There is one's own mind as a spiritual friend, and then there is the spiritual friend within all appearances.
Today, you stand out to Papa Genesis. Churchin and Aju Karajarusana, Chidangi, Lamdroba de Susugi, then Bezuel Rale de Vata, Susu. Rangasim Rangadugu and a Rangataba the Rangaduga, the Shengi Chaguja Meva. That is so much. The evening as taking example, some of the Papa Jerry down, energy, Papa Jambe and double, did not change somebody Zugi, Yaseki Jobala, Ashe example better than. Dena singa zu tendeji jesu lava indusane and power jersey kui na bi le cha de church ne tendeji sunje ji tu ane tene indusa di kunzen de ne jir sangge chue tamje yang da ba gewe shinyin gi landro gi ne de bala de ne landro gi ne de bala ra le ba yang da ba gewe shinyin la ra le ba yang da ba gewe shinyin la ra le ju de now,
with regard to reliance on a spiritual friend, from one point of view, of course, the path is something that we must traverse through our own efforts. And as the Buddha taught, we must achieve liberation for ourselves through our own effort. But nevertheless, to emulate the example of a great bodhisattva, such as Chenrezig or Arya Manjushri, is of great benefit. And this is especially the case in that, as the Buddha taught, all Buddha Dharmas depend upon this spiritual friend, because it is the spiritual friend who tells us or teaches us what to accept and what to avoid.
Papa Cheres ki namthar korang ki nga zulia langdor ki ne samutyong yuebi indusane ti junsen tene Papa Cheres di rijanshin ki nga zu Papa Cheres ngurzu nga zu ji Papa Cheres gewe shinyin du tenpa shimebi ine ya nga zu nangole ya ji Papa Cheres ki namthar dang Papa Cheres ki gyasa ki jueba tada tamjile nga zu ji 퇴삼 공송 냠리체베네 냠리체연두 엔데다가 직랑도르네 사모등의 인두스타디 파바제레스디 정신기 개회신이 사용을
In the case of the Bodhisattva Chenrezig, his deeds and his example teach us in a very profound way what to do and what not to do, which means that even though we may not personally directly encounter the Bodhisattva Chenrezig, he still naturally, in a way, becomes our spiritual friend, because we are learning what is to be done and what is not to be done from his example and from the histories of his deeds.
Papa Cheres ki nyablendi ene ngar jar phabe yu dang 다는 시 표현한지 정당 나 대신에 다 자나라 수업에 유주 망고지라 다geb침보당 에 참에 토동의 티두치아르지 인사래.
The practice of Arya Avalokita meditation on him was traditionally very widespread in India, in Tibet, in China, and in other countries, and was by and large the quintessence of the practice of many.
Dene du penang ram ta deshido ane zonda aya andana je pe kanje jolya bena konsi jangwe chimbo cho jawa yishino do bina ji pabajeresi and drovedendo anime so tuine energy simjing turns up in be and then azu yiji chimchi others today indus ane azu ji kaduine azu pebege samle narole pabajeresi living buddha da living da kada azu gi mi jia ye ji dang an tong ji mi ge tong ye ba da na xin ji na we twa ye ba energy 된데도 비지량 아주 그뒤에 다가다 파바지에서 손보를 지어 버리지 아주 그뒤에 비니 이제도 수리가 알았어.
In the particular case of Tibet, because His Holiness the Dalai Lama is regarded by us as the appearance of Chenrezig, of Arya Avalokita, in human form for the benefit of beings, then for all Tibetans, we feel that we have a very personal connection with him, that Chenrezig is very much, literally, a living Buddha who appears among us and on whom we rely in a very direct and personal way.
아니 나랑 개변하다 나랑 또 충중거리야 나랑 dem 가수에 계사다 차세 김산 디나로리 미네 very warm summer that day practice 가지고 파우제레스 냠네 에 차버르시다 가지고 위에 든지지레시.
And I was born into and grew up in a family and home which was filled with the warmth which comes from the practice of Chenrezig meditation.
맨에 다 양가 대야 드셔 보셨다. 세상에 많이 가시 경거하게 아말라데 지단디 미게 동의해서 말다. 아니 주시다면다 나한테 정도로 미게 마동시 인비냐 ane kadu tabar shi mane de jeza an dana shi nge amala de dana shi jeza an dana shi ni dusane ane nga ji salong ya de mani daro de ji na lo salong ju de ane de dusar zheng xin gi ji ni ji pa ja ro ji samor ji da ka sang ye ji xie bi ni ji pa da chung chung ge de ji chung er bo ji de de pa ja ro men zhou.
For example, as some of you may have heard, my mother constantly recites the mantra Om Mani Padme Hum, which meant that from the earliest age I was surrounded by this sound, engulfed by the sound of this mantra. And
do something.
About you didn't see with your eyes?
No.
Well, let me finish.
Where's the stick?
Stick. I forgot the stick.
Okay.
You could strangle me with my tie.
This is a grandmother.
Grandmother.
This year.
Oh,
Ama. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tatia.
His Holiness.
Ame Kema.
Ame Kema.
Da Ame Amaida.
What I got, the mistake I made this time was His Holiness was speaking about his maternal grandmother. So my maternal grandmother constantly recited, and my mother after her, the mantra Om Mani Padme Hum. So I grew up engulfed by or surrounded by its sound. And I think therefore that yesterday when I spoke about having the habit from the earliest age of a kind of compassion, I think this may result from that.
Today Dusane Nye du this here ben dang 가서 김상을 계정 안에 김상 같이 도와다 가서 김규기 판어서 말해.
맞어.
되게 중요한 말에 판어 말에 거네. 로드인제가 아니 롱바신다 지금 까마본 거 지시더라. 아니 신다게 민도데. 이내다 지금 파버제레스기 냠는 시하로 단들지 ngarangi amalare ame amalare 주스규 인두사 다디 지 냠내지 단도 디지 질럽이 맞아로 줘야 되듯이 소도 내리는 사바지 반어로디 나라토 되버디 반어로 인 세난라도 만어로 세난라도 가르세 보이네 다 대인사레스 되게 인두사네 안 가도 이게 두gün 된데 이번 인사하네 두gün public order digital 양의 public jealousy charge 외관에 transmission of some 네 지요아레스 다들 소디 당할 판어로 신다 개미도스다 판어로 만으로 신다 개미도 다디 여러 인도사디 에네 기호 탐제라 고셔체네 에네 엔 탐제지 가르쳐야지 김사지 one home somewhere 진짜 doing but the difference to in some che and the cheers 다 마보시만도
Whenever there's a family, we can speak of the inheritance that one receives from one's parents in that family. And because I received no other inheritance from my parents, because in my 7th or 8th year I was recognized and therefore moved elsewhere, I regard this Chenrezig meditation as practice as the inheritance that I received, because of my experience of it in early life. I have the habit of it. I have what I would call the blessing of it. You can think of it as my paternal inheritance, my maternal inheritance, but whichever, I think of it as my soul inheritance from my parents. And therefore, I almost invariably share this inheritance with everyone by offering this transmission for this four-armed Chenrezig practice at every public audience. In doing so, in sharing my only family inheritance with you, I feel that I'm making us all into one family, as like one home.
당동계 말해.
Lari.
당나래 수치리.
다나래 세컨요리.
말에 생기 올레리.
메시. 네 말에 세컨 고마뇨.
오야, 나 고마뇨. 다들. 다들이 다나 이미 지시는 고마냐지.
라스.
다나 이나 정아 수치 다삽니다. 근데 이제 디고마 롱즈데 데슈데야 데 송아데 이게 조마디 엔자즈 롱즈데 엔데 쇼데 meditation 디세 잘
The transmission that I give for this practice is based on the liturgy Benefit for Beings throughout all space, which was composed by the Mahasiddha Tangtung Gelpo. And so at the beginning during the 15th century. And at the beginning I will recite the liturgy and then give the transmission of the mantra, and then we'll meditate for a little bit and it will be done. So now please repeat the mantra after me.
Om.
Om.
Mani.
Mani.
Padme.
Padme.
Hom.
Om.
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 Mani.
Mani.
Padme.
Padme.
Hom.
Om.
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 Mani.
Mani.
Padme.
Padme.
Hom.
Om.
Tadi jela nyamdo inda nyamdo che nyamdo jing de mani din de ndi jela di meditation thoughts kama chitsa no bo che na sleep. Okay.
So next I will recite some more, and then we will recite the mantra together, and then we'll meditate for about a minute. I'm going to keep it to just a minute so that I don't fall asleep. And next, we'll meditate a bit.
Papa Jerry Judos, Papa Jerry say, share the round dendeva. In a Yusa, the Shusa, the Juzula show deba. In a Juzugi, Takash. True. Dagar Juzuga, the Judis on Jumla. That's a yard and charmane kilometer. That is just him. That is the gun the year some Niji Chimbi and Bardeva. To work carver and Chimbi and Bardeva. The Nema Karsurata, Shari Ma, Shangi Ningalama, Karsuji, Cabo, the Congo together, work up on Tata to train, and the Chituki, Kasa, Chamba the Nijiki, and the big Indian Hamji, Shangi Gulebe, Kasur. Look, you know, what I'm a nishi. Chonso Zambe Mebanze.
Now, visualize that or imagine that the Bodhisattva Chenrezig is above your head. Although he's above your head, he's facing you. So, and don't worry about exactly how far away he is. Don't try to measure it in meters or kilometers or anything. And think that he is present in that way above and before you, radiant and brilliant with light, and the embodiment of loving kindness and compassion. And then think that he melts into brilliant white light and dissolves directly into your heart, which causes all of his love and compassion to be transferred to you, to be introduced into you, your being, like electricity. And His Holiness says he didn't say anything about him dissolving. He said, don't start dissolving things. And no,
just stay there.
He's still there, but rays of brilliant white light shoot out from his heart, dissolve directly into your heart, transferring all of his loving kindness and compassion directly into you, like electricity being conveyed by an electric cable.
And the 다디 제래 कुछ बोलते हैं ये ता जने असमता ते ये finish the thing there we go okay then I will finish yeah 다 드린데 니만이 저ring이야 가수래 니지 거래야 돼 지금 쉬어 좀 되시라고 정성스 안에 din데 가서 닝메 투 셈젠 상황 하자지 닝마스 두산에 가서다지 어다 조사 누주 탐제 닝머를 줘대봐 누주 탐제 닝머를 줘대봤어 다 닝메 다 가서 집에는 알아서 좀 벗어나 봐 다 치기 네 인지된 탐지 carbon dioxide king 다디 당 아주 난게 주 기semjen 탐제 다 가르 ignorant side carbon dioxide 아가스 근데 individual이야 안에 잡아든 인지 거래야 배 가주래 챈베 내가 참바데 니지 챈베 내가 중세지 좀바데야 아장게 개바 상보 도스임 인주사나 안데 니왜 니게리야 아주 두주망 오스단체 아니 참바데 니지 거래야 중세 디버 챈바 근데 고급 좀바데 자신이가 안 내가 자주베라 롱수 챈베 아니 다 사변도 테베어 인주사나 시라가고 좀
I'm delighted to have been able to spend the last 2 days with you, discussing compassion. In times like those we live in which it is said that both the environment and the inhabitants of the environment are pretty well down to the dregs, which in our case means we inhabit an environment more or less filled with carbon dioxide, and we, the inhabitants, are afflicted by a great degree of ignorance. In such times as this, to even recollect loving kindness and compassion is a tremendous virtue. And therefore, I'm delighted to have had this opportunity to offer you some familiarity with the ideas behind loving kindness and compassion, and to plant seeds within you.
Universal responsibility. Universal. 동수 민진지된 감진 겐담지 그런게 아지 다들 벽에 떨어주나 동수 민진지된 감 겐담지 그런게 수래 라지 라서 저 고공 고티네 안에 코나 저디 담제를이야 안에 거진 체당 안투지 체당 샘닝 타반의 제수 이랑당 되네 나주슈이
And I'd like to thank from the depths of my heart and express my gratitude to the Foundation for Universal Responsibility, founded by His Holiness the Dalai Lama, and to Rajiv, who leads it. And if you translate Foundation of Universal Responsibility into Tibetan, you get something like a group who take full responsibility on themselves for the well-being of these billions and billions of worlds. So I guess we have to be very grateful to Rajiv, because he evidently takes that responsibility on himself. I want to thank him and the foundation, therefore, from the depth.
And Dana Jangazu did Sojarwa did Sangoria, Danasin, Tosena Shays, near the ready preparation, the Kanka made the Gasta, Karsa di Kazan, Dozden, Leche, Dene, Karsa di Varanasi, Varanasingazu Pevelosa, Pevelos the Sayama. Jazang, yes, some of the Pevelosana do. Nijinala Mindu. Today in the Losa got Tanka Sampa. Niji got some of that Chuma song, Jeda 30 of that Chuma song. Jeda Samoria Gonta Shines. Yina Kanda Azu Sam Keju and Azu Samanyam Don Zom and Yamjin Gashri to Toa. David Soa, Gavi Soa, and the Digi Soa, Sarvajil, Lonsja, Chumbadi, Arang Nesta Cavajones, Didn't Arangani, Jina some Lotus in the Shanes. And a Yanayando, and a Shen Javatan, and a Yanayando, and a Pensu Zawatan, Energy, Kashre, Nintabe, Jabasambu, Yotu use. And Dana see, yeah, thank you. Chambada Nijisadi Zaljang, Chambada Niji call a base, Arago, Sabe Carso Chichena, Tunge Nijini Be Chimbuye, Yinayang, Roban Chematu, that is some sort of Tunge door. Nabarumang, music teas. Kids dosta. Kijik the nebe, Moda Dunja dos. Mora Donja de Masredos. Madundusane Kidi Jabgo something to do, Kidi de Madigan Bujabdos. Then it Buddha Payushana and Bushintos. Bush Hasharan, it's Chitungayotos. Harajos. Oh, that's how I do not the day in Gimare. Taimbina the Zod and Azuki Kasre. Somebody needs that as in La Lena da, the case of the La Lena, Kali, or Chunsan and Lana. Penangumina, the Wengi past great master somewhere in the past. Takunazu Karnan Goresana, Pena Drugana Rolia, Venet in the period. Pedusan Kwanzu, comparison to sanity, Simjay Shengi to Komapui with the Degomevache. Comparison. Tana Garage China and a Simjay Shengi to and a top jess and I Simjay Shengi. That day the Gigi Shenduns by Gurni, Kadar Chawa Chungsa, so Niri Mizina Langarcho, Teba Shendu, Gutu, Shendu, Gusidus, Shendu, Mini Session to Gorongel, Lamsa, Shen Pember, the young Kala, Shendu to Mishan, and a Galiga is Yaya Dambini, we honest. Madojan Aju Tindegi Tupti, Garjo, Tup Samo de Zomasiana, Jimmy Neparadoji, Simjay Shana. Lamsanji paint mato and Diniji de Musuba of Diligena, there's the Galacabra in your sandals. And Are and Tosenas. Thank you for you. No. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm ready. I'm already here.
And in addition, I want to thank all of you, thank everyone involved in any way. I didn't really prepare myself for this. From Bodh Gaya, I went to Varanasi and remained there through the preparations and initial celebration of the Tibetan New Year, Losar. And since the celebrations of the New Year, or Losar, are continuing in a certain way, I would say that my head is in Losar and not really in compassion, for which I apologize. But at the same time, I'm very pleased to have had this opportunity to intensify my feeling of connection with all of you. And I thank you all for providing me with this opportunity. I hope sincerely from the depths of my heart that our discussion will produce great benefit for you and for others. Now, with regard to compassion, sometimes when compassion is held within and not expressed, not applied in action, it can become a source of suffering. The feeling of compassion where you feel that nevertheless you can't do anything to help can be frustrating. Someone once came to me and said that they had seen a dog who had been hit by a car. The dog was wounded and was lying there and was also being fed upon by some insects. And there wasn't much this person could do for the dog. Even if he removed the insects, those insects would starve to death. So he really felt that lacking in any way to implement his compassion, and he found it rather depressing. That being the case, we need to remember that situations that we encounter are not always like that. And compassion does not always have to be viewed as something where there's nothing we can do, because in fact, there always is something we can do. If we start small, start with the actual implementation or practice of compassion with small things and in very simple ways, we will in fact be emulating the example of great masters of the past who ensured that whatever they did, even neutral actions, were motivated by the altruistic wish to benefit others. So that when great masters of the past went into retreat, with every step they took toward the place of retreat, they thought, may with this step I bring benefit to beings. May this step benefit beings. Whenever they tied their belt on at the beginning of the day, they would think, may my tying on this belt be of benefit to beings. In that way, if we think that everything we're doing, even if it's a neutral action that is not directly beneficial to other beings, if we think that that is done for the purpose of benefiting others, while it's not the case that it immediately produces some kind of fantastic benefit for others, it will be the case that your motivation will accrue and will eventually produce action that will be directly beneficial to many. Without such profound methods of starting from very simple actions and so on, we don't have any way to implement compassion. So please keep this in mind, and thank you all very much.
It's with great sort of trepidation and hesitation that I intrude on sort of following the words of a great master and the profound impact it has had on us. But I think as a collective gesture of deep appreciation to Peter for having been such a wonderful interpreter and such an eloquent transmitter of His Holiness's ideas, words, wisdom, and much of his humor. Thank you, Peter.
You're very welcome. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
There is little that we can offer His Holiness in material, physical terms, other than our deep, profound, passionate gratitude for the time that he has taken and then spent with us. And it is quite beyond what you have said, Your Holiness, has been your very presence and who you are, as much as what you say to us, that is truly, profoundly and deeply transforming. And I guess that, it's just 200 full hearts that must speak for themselves, because I really don't know what to say, except that with a prayer for your long life, your continuing happiness, and that we may have the ongoing privilege and pleasure and blessing of listening to you again and again. And I would also be failing to say that, when His Holiness said kind words about me, I sort of felt like the white dust from the flour in the kitchen covering me up. The people who've really done the work are hiding in that corner, and I'd sort of invite them to come and present a scarf on behalf of all of us. Raji Ramanan, and Thupten Sevang, and Kunchok Dolma. Where is she? Yes. And this is Devinder, who works with us in the office. We'll just take 2 minutes to rearrange the furniture, and then we will start the process.